Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to handle dynamic data in PHP. First, let's talk about dynamic data. Dynamic data can change or be modified, while static data, in contrast, remains unchanged. So, let's first create a new file in our demo folder. Let's call it dynamic.php. In the file, start by adding a basic HTML structure, which you can achieve by pressing Shift+4. Now, within the body tag, add an h1 element and write some arbitrary text. Next, open your browser and check if you can see the text you provided by opening the file at localhost/demo/dynamic.php. Once you've successfully seen the specified text in the browser, let's go back to our code. Clear the content of the body, then add the PHP opening and closing tags. Between the PHP tags, declare a variable and assign a value to it. I used the $name variable and set its value to Natural Frontend, but you can choose whatever you like. Let's pause for a moment and talk about variables. The use of variables allows storing values, and by utilizing the variable, we can access the assigned value at any time. In this example, the variable name is $name, and its value is Natural Frontend. Later in the program, $name can be referenced, and we can query or modify the stored value. Variables are crucial in programming as they enable the storage and manipulation of data, making the code more dynamic. Now, let's move on. So, we have the variable and value between the PHP opening and closing tags. After this, add another h1 element. Within the h1 element, again add PHP opening and closing tags. Once this is done, provide the echo statement to output the value of our variable like this. Now, if everything was done correctly, refreshing the browser should display the value associated with the $name variable. If you change the value in the code and save it, refreshing the browser will show the new value. This concludes our use of dynamic data for now. We will delve into more advanced applications of this later. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like the video. This way, you won't receive constant notifications about future videos.